Namaste everyone. This is a recap video of Block 5, My Country. Let's quickly revise what we have learnt so far in this block. We have learnt that our country's name is India. India is in Asia continent. Continent is the one of the largest continuous masses of land. India has the Himalayas in its north, the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Arabian Sea in the west. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka are the neighboring countries of India. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. A state has a separate governing body and the union territory is directly governed by the central government. Each state and union territory has the capital city, the most important city, where the government buildings are located. I hope you remember the map of India. We also learnt that out of 28 states, 5 states are in north. They are Himachal Pradesh, its capital is Shimla. Uttarakhand, its capital is Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, its capital is Lucknow. Haryana and Punjab with a common capital city, Chandigarh. In east, we have 12 states. Odisha, its capital is Bhubaneswar. Jharkhand, its capital is Ranchi. Bihar, its capital is Patna. West Bengal, its capital is Kolkata. And Sikkim, with its capital Gangtok. The state of Arunachal Pradesh and its capital Itanagar. Assam, whose capital is Dispur. Nagaland, whose capital is Kohima, Manipur, whose capital is Imphal, Mizoram, whose capital is Aizawl, Tripura, whose capital is Agratala, and Meghalaya, whose capital is Shillong, are also in east. They are popularly known as Northeastern States and Seven Sisters. Hope you remember them on the map of India. In south, we have 5 states. Telangana, its capital is Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh, its capital is Amravati. Tamil Nadu, its capital is Chennai. Kerala, its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. And Karnataka, its capital is Bangalore. Hope you remember them on the map of India. We have 4 states in west of India. Rajasthan with its capital Jaipur, Goa with its capital Panaji, Gujarat with its capital Gandhinagar, and Maharashtra with its capital Mumbai. Remember, the largest and the smallest states of India are in western India. The largest state is Rajasthan and the smallest is Goa. Finally, in middle of India, we have 2 states. Madhya Pradesh, which is popular as heart of India, and its capital is Bhopal, and Chhattisgarh with its capital Raipur. We also learnt about the 8 union territories of India. So let's quickly recall the 8 union territories of India and their capitals. Ladakh, its capital is Leh. Jammu and Kashmir, its capital is Srinagar for summers and Jammu for winters. Chandigarh, its capital is Chandigarh itself. Then Daman, Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli, its capital is Daman. Lakshadweep, its capital is Kavarati. Then Puducherry, its capital is Puducherry itself. Then we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands, its capital is Port Blair. And Delhi, its capital is New Delhi. So we have 8 union territories. And remember, Chandigarh is not only the capital of Punjab and Haryana but also the Union Territory of India. Next, Delhi is also the National Capital Territory of India. We have all central government offices in Delhi. In the last, we have learnt that we recognize our country with some special symbols which are called national symbols. Our national flag is of tricolor, saffron, white and green with dark blue wheel in the middle which has 24 spokes. Our national emblem with 4 lions. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national song Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Our national animal is tiger, national bird is peacock, national fruit is mango, national flower is lotus and national tree is banyan tree. We also learned that each symbol has a meaning and it signifies something. Our national symbols are chosen from things that are special to India. I hope you have enjoyed what we have learned. Jai Hind.